Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of our debate is government hospital versus private hospital. And today, debate is going to happen between two teams, two batches, 8 o'clock batch versus 2 o'clock batch, and both the teams have arrived. So I would like to go to the captain, ask whom they are sending. So first, I would like to go to the captain of 2 o'clock batch. That whom is she sending? So who is coming from your team?
From my team, Irtika would come, sir.
Who would come? Irtika would come. So would you defeat them, inshallah?
Inshallah, sir, inshallah.
So now I would like to go to the captain of 8 o'clock batch, but captain is a bit late. So I would like to call from this batch first. Irtika, you come. I would like to call from this batch. Last time who came against you? You came. So are you in a hurry today? Okay, Anne is coming. Come.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammad Ayan Safi, and we are doing debate here on an amazing topic. The topic is in the regard of hospitals, government hospitals versus private hospitals. Which one is better? Well, I truly believe that government hospitals are much better than the private hospitals. So first thing which I want to say about government hospital is that we do not have to money. We do not have to pay money. That's a common point. Everyone knows about it. But the thing I want to say that in private hospital, what happens that most of the doctors, they focus on profit, not on the patient. And due to this thing, what happens, they take a lot of unnecessary tests. But in government hospital, it does not happen. And the clearly proof of the unnecessary test is that the C-section ratio, cesarean ratio, that in government hospital that's 11.9%, in private hospital that's 40.9%, and according to WHO, World Health Organization, it should lies between 11 to 15%, but government hospital is fulfilling it, but private hospital is not able to. So it proves that unnecessary tests are taking place in the private hospitals due to people have to pay a lot of money. That's all which I wanted to say.
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I am going to put my opinion about a topic that is about government hospitals versus private hospitals. So I would be like to in favor of private hospitals, that private hospitals are far better than government hospitals. So my first argument is about facilities. I know that it is common point and my team members would also mention this. But still I would say that facilities which must a patient have, these are just provided in private hospitals. Because if I talk about the death ratio in 2022, according to system registration SRS, so this ratio shows that 23.3% death occurred in government hospitals, while on other hand, only 14.7 death occurred in private hospitals. So it is clearly showing that quality care, those kind of facilities we are just getting in private hospitals, not in government hospitals. So that's all about it.
Okay, she mentioned about the death rate in government hospital, it is high, but in private hospital it is not. But why is it high? Because government hospitals handle the serious cases. Whenever a serious case goes to the private hospitals, they directly deny that we cannot handle. You will have to take this patient to the government hospital. That's why the death rate, we can see it is high. And you will see that the death rate of the private hospitals are nearly government hospitals. When do not handle the serious cases, then this is the condition of the private hospitals. We can see that.
Brother, I want to say here that you are having a misconception, a big one, because if I talk about this data is saying that most of the patient could be saved at that time, but they couldn't because of spurious medicines, because of no health care, and these kind of things were happening at that time. That's why they are died now. So how can you mention about that they are taking serious cases? But if I talk about cancer cases, cancer treatment and all, these cases, these treatments are just happening in private hospitals. Because if I talk about the ratio, so most of the people are taking treatment of cancer in private hospitals because they know everything about government hospitals.
Okay, as she was mentioning about the cancer, that most of the patients are taking treatment by the private hospitals of cancer. But here I would like to mention that the most of the advanced machine of cancer treatment we can see in government hospitals like PET, CT, which you cannot see in any private hospitals of the India. And most of the advanced machine which we can only see in the government hospitals because they can afford. Most of the private hospitals they cannot afford because machines are in crores of rupees.
Now I would like to mention a data according to Ministry Health. So this data shows that 23,000 government hospitals are in our India, but on the other hand, if I talk about private hospitals, 43,000 hospitals in our India, means most availability are of private hospitals, not of government hospitals.